Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini image generation. First, navigate to the Gemini interface and locate the image generation option. To begin, simply type a detailed prompt describing the image you wish to create. Be as specific as possible, including elements like style, subject, colors, and composition. For example, you might ask for a watercolor painting of a cat wearing a tiny crown, sitting on a bookshelf. This clarity helps Gemini understand your vision and produce better results. To get the best images, focus on prompt engineering. Think about the artistic style you prefer, such as oil painting, digital art, or photorealistic. Also, consider the color scheme like vibrant blues or muted earth tones, and lighting such as golden hour or studio lighting. You can also specify the number of elements, for instance, 2 dogs playing in a park. Don't be afraid to iterate. If the first attempt isn't perfect, adjust your prompt and try again. Once you have an initial image, you can refine it further. Some tools allow for negative prompts, where you tell the AI what asterisk not asterisk to include, like no people or without text. You can also ask Gemini to generate variations of an image you like, providing slightly different interpretations. If available, experiment with different aspect ratios, such as 16:9 for a wide shot, or 1:1 for a square image, to better suit your needs. To maximize your image creation experience, always review Gemini's guidelines to ensure your prompts are appropriate and adhere to content policies. Keeping a log of successful prompts can save you time and inspire future creations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different ideas. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description below for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.